Dr. Rachel, I can't hide it anymore. I think it's time I told you how I feel about you.
Tune in next week to see the dramatic conclusion on Woodpecker ER.
Wow! The medical field is so exciting. The action, the drama.
Nurse Winnie to emergency.
No,
Dr. Winnie to brain sir.
no.
Chief of Staff Winnie to the OR. Stat.
I'm gonna find out about a career in medicine today.
But boss, I'm so close. All I need is a proper subject to clone. Well, don't worry, boss. I'm on top of it. Yeah, I'm a dead man. If I don't find a subject to clone right away, I'm washed up, finished. Where, oh, where will I find a volunteer? Huh?
Hi! I want to work here.
What are the odds?
It's Winnie Woodpecker, and I'd like to become...
That's fine, that's fine. If you'll just step into my lab, we'll run a few tests. All right, listen up. This is a precise scientific instrument designed for only one purpose. Of course, I wouldn't expect a layman to understand.
Why, no, sir. How could a layman be expected to know about a linear instrument designed to test the effect of the harmonic resonance on the rhombic area with an emphasis on the cordial nerve group?
All right, then, let's get started. Huh?
Oh, doctor! My first medical emergency! Test complete, Doc. Am I ready to work in the ER?
Let's move on to another test, shall we? This test will measure your brain activity and IQ. Please answer all my questions as quickly as possible. Ready?
Ready?
What is 2 plus 2?
4.
What's the definition of plethora?
A lot.
What is mitosis?
The division of a cell nucleus.
What is the
Astronomical
Ptolemaic
system of
system?
Ptolemy, in which the Earth is at the center of the universe.
How did you get that so fast? Is this giving you the answers? Give me that. Now, ask me a question. Go ahead, ask me.
What does that lever do?
This lever...
That is dangerous. Doctor, this will be perfect training if I decide to go into the physical therapy department.
Just keep running. I have to find out if you're a good enough subject to clone.
What did you say?
I said phone. Phone. I have to test your hearing on the phone.
What would they do on Woodpecker ER? As I always say, when in doubt, improvise. That's inflation for ya. Yes, another medical miracle performed by Winnie Woodpecker. Ooh, when can I use these, Doctor?
Just get behind the machine. All right, Winnie, this should be painless. Winnie! Oh, I knew I should have finished medical school. Huh?
I'm ready for my close-up, Doctor.
Eye exam. That's it. Eye exam. Please read the top line.
You.
No, you read it.
I?
Yes, you. Now go ahead.
Why?
Because I said, okay?
Okay.
Oh, never mind. Let's do a CAT scan and see what's going on in that head of yours.
Oh, no, Doctor. I'm allergic to cats.
There's no cat here. That's just what it's called, a CAT scan.
But
I sneeze, swell up, and itch all over.
Look, CAT stands for Computer Axial Tomography. There is no feline in this machine. I'll prove it to you.
Doctor, now that you see I can handle any emergency situation that arises, what department will I be working in? Emergency room? ER? Recovery? Operating theater? Whatever we do had better be in a hurry. After all, my time is valuable and,
Nothing! Nowhere! I want you out of this hospital!
Well, I'm not so sure I even want to work in a hospital that has the likes of you on the staff. Harsh words, but a doctor has to assert herself. I'm going all the way to the top, Doctor.
That's not the elevator! Oh, I'll be blamed for everything. I gotta get out of here.
Oh, no you don't, Doctor. You're not well enough to leave our care.
Dr. Winnie Woodpecker, meet Nurse Winnie in the OR.
Hello, Nurse Winnie. Who's your friend? He doesn't look well. Right this way, Bandage Boy. In order to work in a hospital, you've got to have patience.